Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to print 16 copies on one page in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document and take 16 pages in this document. Now we want to print these 16 copies in one page. Go to the file menu and we can see here many options. Then click the print option. Now I select the one page per sheet drop down menu and choose the 16 page per sheet. Now we want to print these 16 copies in one page. Click the print option and wait some moment to print these 16 copies in one page. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.